Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on ASUS ROG Phone 8. So you have to start with opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now select child or teenager and click next. Now click on add or create account for your child. And here you have to type in your child's email address. Now click next. And now enter your child password. Now you have to click I agree. And now click accept. And here you have to select your account. And now you have to type in your parent email address. Now click next. And here you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll down. And here you have to type in your child password again. Now click next. Now scroll down and click next. Click next. And here you can click Instant Family Link or you can click skip and then you can install this app manually. Now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.